equivalent fractions. Examples. Complete the box in this expression. The left-hand side, we have 8b divided by 5 is equals to box divided by 15. Now, for us to determine what we are going to have inside the box, this is what you need to do. Now, we are going to apply the principle of mapping. We map numerator to numerator, then denominator to what? Denominator. Now, looking at what we have here, if you map 5 to 15, but for this one, for the numerator, 8b is being mapped to an empty. We don't have anything there. So, how can we turn 5 to 15 normally? So, for us to get the value that is being used to multiply 5 to get 15, what do you need to do? You see, this particular one that we have here as 15, we just need to get that particular value. For us to get the value, we can say the value, that is the multiplier. Multiplier. The multiplier is going to be what? 15 divided by 5. Because we have 5 here and this is 15. So for us to get the multiplier, we say 15 divided by 5 to get the multiplier. So in this case, 15 divided by 5, what do we have? That is what? 3. Now, let's check it out. 5 times 3, what do we have? That is 15. It means for us to have the value inside the box, what are we going to have? It's going to be what? It means box will be equal to what? What do we have in the box? It's going to be 8b times 3. And what would that be? That's going to be 8b times 3. 8 times 3, that is what? 24. So we have 24b. So it means that what we are going to have here is going to be what? 24b. We can just say 8b times 3, that is 24b. 5 times 3, that is 15, which make it to be balanced. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.